What if you could set up a simple AI receptionist that answers calls, responds to missed calls instantly, and even helps the business automatically book appointments without ever even having to hire anyone? And instead of building something complicated from scratch, you just copy a simple system that already works and offer it as a service to local businesses. Now, obviously, results are going to vary depending on how you apply this, but this is the same system that total beginners are using to start their very first online business. It's 100% beginner friendly, and you don't need any prior marketing experience or any tech skills. And you're able to help these small local businesses leverage AI to respond faster to leads so that they can grow their business. And it's as simple as copying and pasting a few simple AI systems. Now, the reason this works so well is pretty simple. Every single day, these small local businesses miss phone calls, and every missed phone call is a missed opportunity for their business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple AI receptionist step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and then how you can take this simple setup and turn around and sell it to small local businesses as a service to help them grow their business. No coding needed, no complicated tech. Just a simple AI system you can copy and reuse over and over again. Now, if you're vibing with this whole business model and you want a more in-depth look at how this is all set up, how to get clients, fulfill for clients, how to scale this business, if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and consider sharing this video with a friend who might also find this video helpful, or maybe a friend that you want to work on this business together with, I'll actually hook you up with my full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, and a live bootcamp, all 100% for free. I don't sell courses on my channel. That is not how I make my money. So I just give it all away to you 100% for free. So if you don't mind, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll hook you up with that private link to unlock everything 100% for free. And now that you've done that, let me jump onto my computer so I can show you exactly how this all works. So, what we're going to be doing is we're working with small local business owners. And honestly, this could be any type of small local business owner. And no, real quick, just before you jump into it and think we're running Facebook ads or doing SEO for clients, something like that, we are doing none of that. So if you think about local business owners, your plumber, your electrician, your hairstylist, massage therapist, chiropractor, really any type of small business owner, doesn't matter. And then right here, I've got offer simple lead generation systems that are copy and paste. And what I'm going to show you guys today is actually even simpler than this. It's literally you go through and you have this client sign into a simple software and they check on one button and then they click save, and that is all they have to do. And then you don't have to do anything on an ongoing fulfillment because the software is going to be doing all of the heavy lifting, all of the fulfillment. But because this small business owner is continually getting results, they will continue to pay you on a monthly ongoing basis. Now, this specific service, you probably won't be able to charge $300 to $500 per month just for this one thing alone. But I know a number of people charging $100 per month. And if you think about that, if you just got 10 people signed up on this, which you'll soon see here that literally every single business, doesn't matter what industry, doesn't matter what they do, they need this service. You could charge $100, get 10 people on, and that is $1,000 per month in pretty passive monthly recurring income, right? Obviously, if they have questions, they reach out to you. You want to get back to them. But other than that, it's pretty simple setup. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this right here, right now. And I'll even show you how to get your first clients for free, how to fulfill for those clients for free, and how to make money on a monthly ongoing basis and be able to stack up your recurring income. Because at the end of the day, it really comes down to, are you going to actually implement what I'm showing you right here? And if not, obviously you're not going to see any results. So the first thing, as we can see right here, we need to find some small local business owners. And luckily for all of us, we all have free access to Google. And so step one, we need to find a local business. And then I'm going to show you guys the simple systems that we're going to go through and set them up with. But first, we need to go through and let's type in, for this example, we'll say Plumbers, Dallas, Texas. And really, like I said, this works for any industry, for any city, any state, really any country. And I have people that are doing this in other countries. I have people that are in other countries that are targeting businesses in the US. So it really doesn't matter where you are. And so what it's going to pull up is obviously you've seen this before. You've got your sponsored results, and then you scroll down a little bit more. You've got a little bit more sponsored, and then you have your organic results, usually based on the number of reviews they have. But look at this. All of these small business owners, they have their phone number listed, okay? But statistics show that 62% of calls, incoming calls to these small local businesses, go unanswered. And why do they go unanswered? It's because a lot of these small mom and pop shops, whether a plumber, electrician, whoever they are busy doing jobs. They are doing the work. And so they don't have time to pick up every single phone call. And they don't have maybe the budget to hire an assistant or receptionist to answer all these phone calls. And so what we want to do is we want to set them up with a simple service called Auto Missed Call Text Back, right? And I'm going to show you guys how to set that all up here in just a second. But I want to explain to you really quick why this is so valuable and why this is actually such an easy sale to all of these businesses. The reason why is because the other day I actually had my AC went out. Okay, it was like 105 degrees here. And my AC went out, and so it was really hot. It was like 90 degrees in my house. And so I'm just sitting here. I'm like, man, I'm sweating. I want this problem fixed as soon as possible. I'm like, I don't care if this is after hours charge. I want this thing fixed right now. And so what we did is went to Google. We typed in AC repair near me, right? So we called the first one, right? And luckily we were able to go through and get a hold of them right away. But typically, if we are not able to get a hold of them right away, right? What would you do? You would then go call the next person, and then the next person, and then the next person, because you don't really care. You're looking at all these and you're like, okay, 8,000 reviews, over 700 reviews, 1,000 reviews. I don't have any specific tie to Jennings Plumbing, Public Service Plumbers, Pure Plumbing, and so I just want my problem fixed right now, okay? If 62% of these calls are going unanswered, these small businesses are missing out on closed deals. They are missing out on money, where what we're going to do is we're going to set them up with something called Auto Missed Call Text Back. So, if somebody calls in, let's say I call in to Jenny's Plumbing Service, who they are actually paying money to be up here at the top. And if they don't have the service, then they're missing out. They're not only spending money, but then they're also missing out on return revenue. And so what we're going to do is say, okay, as they call this number, we are going to automate this phone number, where anytime somebody calls, if we don't pick up the phone, if this small business owner does not pick up the phone, we're going to automatically text the person. And so that we continue the conversation via text, and they don't immediately go to call the next person. So what we can do is say, okay, if they call in and say, hey, Jenny's Plumbing Services, ring, 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 oh no, pick up. Then Jenny's Plumbing Services can say, hey, sorry, missed your call. We're super busy right now. We want to call you back as soon as possible. How can we help you? Or something like that, right? You can customize the message how do you want. And so now me as a potential client, I'm gonna go text back and forth and be like, okay, at least I made contact. I'm gonna go through and set something up and be more likely to still work with Jennings Plumbing as opposed to going to the next business. Okay, so now I hope you guys understand the value of why this is so important. Now let's go in. I want to show you guys how to go through and set this up step by step. So what we do is we use simple software to automate this entire process. Because what we want to do is we want to have this simple service that we set up once. takes us about 5 to 10 minutes to set up for the client, and then the software does all the heavy lifting for us. But because it continues to produce results for the client, they continue to pay you $100, $200 per month, or whatever you're charging them. Why would they pay $100 or $200 per month for this simple service? So if every single deal that they have is on average, let's say $500 or $1,000 or whatever the number is, and you help them save 5 deals, that is a significant ROI on the money invested. That $100 or $200 per month they're spending, right? So all day long, they would want to do this. And I know some of you guys are probably thinking, because I get this comment all the time, well, if it's so simple, why wouldn't these small business owners just do it themselves? And I 100% agree with you. I thought that 8 years ago, before I had worked with over 15,000 small local business owners, and after working with over 15,000, I learned something very valuable. They are extremely busy. They do not need or they do not want another task added to their to-do list. Even if it's as simple as clicking a button, they just don't want to do it. They want to go through and pay the $100 to $200 per month for someone else to do it, someone else to learn it and figure it out and just take care of all of it for them. I know it sounds crazy, but that is where this insanely profitable side hustle comes in for you. Alright, so what we're going to do is use this software. And like I said, if you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll not only hook you guys up with all my step-by-step free courses of how to get clients, fulfill for clients, how to go through and grow this business, but I'll also hook you up with an extended 30-day free trial to this software. Normally a 14-day free trial. I get you a couple extra weeks because I'm friends with the founders, the owners, and so they hook me up for my audience. So I want to be able to do that to kind of give out to you guys. So what we're going to do here is we come to the software. And the cool thing about this software, it can run our entire business. We don't need any other softwares, and we can have 5 clients on this software. We can have 10, we can have 100 or 1,000, and it doesn't cost us anything extra. Okay? So if you think about that, you could go get 10 clients for $100 per month. That's $1,000. You could scale up to 100 clients paying you $100 per month. 10 grand a month, right? Not too bad. And it costs you the same exact amount of money focusing on this one simple business model. So once we come in here, we've created a separate account. This is just a demo account, obviously, for the specific client. Then we just connect their Google My Business listing. So every single business on Google right over here. So public service plumbers, this is what their Google My Business listing looks like. It's kind of like a Facebook page, but it's for Google, right? And so what we do is we get in contact with them. We call them up. We say, hey, look, we see that you don't have a missed call text back. This is kind of how it works. We'd love to help you set it up. We have the scripts and templates, everything inside of our free course to help you guys out as well. And then you come in and you click connect right here, and it just signs in through Google, right? So if you can sign in, if you can have your clients sign in, super easy. You don't need any marketing experience or tech skills to go through and make that happen. Now, once you're connected here, it's going to pull in all the information from this Google My Business listing right here, okay? All you have to do for setup, watch. This takes about 10 seconds, and it is so easy. I might actually even move my head for this. We're gonna come over here to settings. I'll move my head just because it's gonna be in the way. And then we come down all the way down to the business profile settings. And you see this missed call text back. And so we want to enable missed call text back. And that is all you have to do. And so from here, it says, hi, this is location name. So this is like the business name as you're going through and creating this account. Okay, I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? And if you want to come in here, you can go through and customize the text. You can have it say whatever you want, but usually this is a good standard-based message. And then you just click on Save Missed Call Text Settings. And guess what? That's it. That is all you have to do. So dang easy, right? So, I hope you can see how literally every single small local business owner that does not have this, which is a majority of these small local businesses, they need this. They need this so they can make more money, so they can save deals. If they're spending money to get ranked on Google, to get more reviews and do all this stuff, to get more awareness and reach, well, they're missing out on this low-hanging fruit. And you can come in and save the day and help them. And for just $100, $200 per month, you can go through, set this up. It's a one-time simple setup. It literally, once it's set up, it's done. Like, it's not like you have to go through and do Facebook ad management on a monthly ongoing basis. Yes, it's a lot lower price point, but then also it's a price point that all these small local business owners can afford, and you can easily make sense of it because you say, hey, look, it's $100 per month. What if I saved you 5 clients per month? What is the average value of a client worth to you? Is it $100, $500, $1,000? Usually it's probably going to be like $200 to $500 for most of these small local businesses. And so if you save on average, let's say 5 clients, that is a significant ROI. And that's going to make sense for them to stay on using this service month in and month out. And also, $100 a month is really not a price point that these small local businesses are going to be like, dang, that's a huge charge. Like, I don't know if I really want to be spending this each month. $100 versus like $1,500, which some of these traditional marketing agency gurus tell you to go through and charge for services. That's an expense that they're going to be looking at every single month once that hits their credit card and be like, do I really need this? I don't know, that's kind of a lot of money. Whereas $100 per month with the value that it provides, with the minimum work on your end, it's kind of a no-brainer, right? So anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful as far as breaking down one of the most profitable side hustles that you can get started right now. Like I said, if you guys just smash that like button, drop a comment down below, I'll send you a private link to my free course to show you guys how to get started. I'll get you the extended 30-day free trial to that software. I'll show you how to get clients. I even have a lot of other free ways to go through and get clients. The scripts, the templates, the whole fulfillment process. How you can add other simple services on top of the auto missed call text back. Where you can charge $300 to even $500 per month to get more revenue per client. And so that is all jam-packed in there 100% for free. And like I said guys, I have no paid courses. I have no paid coaching program. I have no paid masterminds. And so that is not my hidden agenda. My hidden agenda, I guess, is I want you to sign up for the software through my affiliate link, because the cool thing is, it will cost you $0 more to use my affiliate link, but it's going to give me a little bit of a kickback. And so then I can provide all this awesome value and training and courses and templates and coaching 100% for free, because I'm able to get a kickback from the software. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, really appreciate you. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next.